Did you know that Jesus was hidden in one of the most famous Old Testament stories? When young David faced the giant Goliath, something amazing was happening that most people miss. David picked up 5 smooth stones from the brook. He was just a shepherd boy with no armor, facing a warrior who stood over 9 feet tall. Goliath had been taunting God's people for 40 days, but David said something incredible. He told Goliath that he came in the name of the Lord of hosts. With one stone, a vulnerabilization of one stone, David brought down the giant that no soldier could defeat. This wasn't just about a brave boy. David was showing us a picture of Jesus. Just like David defeated Goliath when no one else could, Jesus defeated sin and death when no human could. David saved Israel from their enemy. Jesus saved all of us from our greatest enemy. The shepherd boy became the king. Jesus, our good shepherd, is the King of Kings. God was painting a picture of our Savior thousands of years before Jesus was even born.